Thursday, everyone. This is Julie HR, and today I wanted to go over my template that is entitled, let's see, actually, here's the front of it, way up here. It's called the New Hire Welcome Kit and Employee Handbook in Canva. Complete onboarding paperwork, editable in Google Docs, Word, PDF, HR template packet. So I want to go over the Canva piece of it and exactly what was in this welcome kit and employee handbook. So with that being said, I'm going to jump over to Canva. First of all, you're going to see the new hire welcome packet. And within my YouTube videos, there's also another somewhat of a welcome new hire packet, but it's in a Word document. But this is in Canva, and it's one that you're able to go in and let's change up pictures and colors and fonts and whatnot. If you know Canva, you could change that picture. Just let me put office picture. Let's go into elements, office picture. Maybe like just pull something in there. It's very easy to use and utilize. So right here, new hire welcome packet. So welcome to the team. Explore our company culture, benefits, resources, and more. So like I said, it has a welcome letter, a first day schedule, first day helpful information. It's got a new hire forms checklist. It's got an employee handbook. Now, this handbook is one that is not as extensive as the handbook, the typical handbooks, but it does have an overview of some key policies and whatnot that need to be included. Now, if you wanted to supplement that when the employee starts with a employee policy and procedure handbook that had more behind it, that would be great. However, this employee handbook that you're going to be sending to the employees once they have joined will go over some of the key items that they need to know and understand about your culture. So this is like kind of your first go at, showing your employees, hey, they probably already have a good idea about the culture if they've gone through the interview process. However, it's always great to have some more. Right here, welcome to the team, your first day. So you may want to put in maybe a picture of your executive staff, maybe just a bunch of team members or whatnot. And like I said, you can easily just pull a picture over and then just keep on going. First day helpful information, parking, identification, new hire packet. Please be sure to fill out your new hire forms because within this particular Etsy document, on my site, it also has new hire paperwork to fill out. It talks about the orientation, the dress, and it talks about the handbook. Okay. And once again, you could pull in another wonderful picture. Super easy breezy. First day schedule. Here you go. 9 o'clock orientation, 10 o'clock new hire paperwork. You want to give those employees the idea of what's going to be going on during that day. And then the new hire forms for return, application, signed offer letter. These are all the items that are within my Etsy listing as a Word document. Okay, here we have the employee handbook. It's also a part of the new hire packet. So right here, you can change up the picture. Let's look up, maybe you work for a construction company. All right, here we go. And you want to put maybe just a picture like that. Pull that in there, right there. A letter from the CEO. Pull in a picture from there. Talk about, the company. Speak to your core values. Core values are very key. And, during the interview process, if you did not, it's very important to incorporate those core values into your interview process to see if those employees actually are aligned with your core values. You want to make sure that they're a good fit within your company. So there's the welcome. Handbook purpose. And of course, you have the at-will statement, which is, obviously, if you know HR, at-will is very important. If your state, now remember this is the United States, is an at-will employer. So here are the table of contents: health, company profile, health, safety, classification and schedules. That's a huge thing right now, the classification. Come July the 1st, I hope all of you are ready to make sure that those who fall under the Fair Labor Standards Act have their employees classified correctly. And I'm sure you do. If not, just reach out and I'll be happy to help you however I can. Employee performance, company policies, compensation and benefits, and leave. So this is just kind of an overview handbook to give them. You may not have all your key policies in here, but you need to have all your super key policies in here, but then have like another handbook that takes a deep dive into the other policies. But this is a great overview. See, company profile, you can put your when your company was established, easily just change it up, bright new, you can change the words, new takeover of, let's say takeover of competition. Yeah. You can just change that. Put your vision and then talk a little bit about your culture. Core values, as I mentioned, I think it's very key for your employees to understand their core values because number one, they should be tied to your culture and they're probably more than likely tied to your rewards and recognition program. At least if they're not, they definitely should be. Health and safety, you want to be able to go in here and talk about your safety procedures, throw in some fire safety procedures, your emergency action plan. You want to be able to do that. Classification schedules, classification, full-time, part-time, temporary, seasonal, contractor. You may want to take a little dive into that and talk a little bit more about that. Overtime, this is a great time to go ahead and set some expectations on overtime with your employees. Attendance policy, work hours. But as you know, within Canva, you can change, you can delete. If you feel that that's not as important, you can take it out. And as always, ensure that your legal department takes a good look at this too. Employee performance, assessment review, grievance, and company policies. And this is where you want to dive into your really important policies. Here you have your EEO, harassment, yes, confidentiality, conflicts of interest, dress code, the ADA, drug and alcohol policy. You want to put your key policies in here. Let's see, your construction. Let's put another construction picture in here. Beautiful. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Compensation and benefits. You want to talk a little bit about pay, the insurance benefits. Hey, we offer an HMO, POS, PPO. Let them know that they'll be receiving a document that goes over, takes a deep dive into their particular medical benefits when they start, the eligibility on that, first of the month, probably the first of the month following 30 days is kind of typical. Retirement plan, whether it's a 401k, a 403b, it's usually around about a year and so many hours, and you've got to be a certain age. So you want to go into that. Bonuses and employee resources. Then you can go into leave right here. And then discipline and termination and acknowledgement and receipt. I'd have the employees sign off on this, saying that they read all this once you take the time to go in and really pull out from your main policies handbook the things that will be key for your handbook. For this particular handbook. But I wanted to go over this particular listing in Canva of mine. It's right here, the new hire welcome kit and employee handbook in Canva. I'll put a link that's down below. I know I went through that kind of quickly. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And also within that link, it also has the new hire paperwork too. So you get, bam, you get a new hire welcome packet. Gives you an overview, gives the employees the first day, the first helpful information, the schedule, forms of return, and bam, there's a handbook for your employees too. That's not 50 or 60 pages. But this is in Canva, and I will put the link in the particular, in this listing. And I thank you so much. Have a wonderful Thursday, and thank you for all that you do as HR individuals. Please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to speaking to you later. Thanks so much. Bye.